Hello guys, we have a question here that says the magnetic potential energy stored in a certain inductor is 25 millijoule when the current in the inductor is 60 milliampere. So we have to find the inductor is of inductance. We have to find the inductance of that inductor. Okay, so the correct option is fourth, that is 13.89. Okay, so the energy stored in given as U is equals to half L I square. Okay, so we transpose the L to the LHS, we get 2U by I square. Okay, so we have the values of U and I square, so we put these in the formula. We get L equals to 2 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 60 into 10 to the power minus 3 is whole square. Okay, so we get after solving that equation we get L equals to 13.89. Okay, that is our option number 4. Thank you guys.